This week at work, the big issue is growth. If you're not growing, you're dying. If you're not growing your business, you're being eaten away by inflation, you're being eaten away by competitive activity. If you're not growing, you're regressing, and you're using and losing the years and years and years of invested growth and value you've enjoyed. I'm working in a workshop today that really talks to how you rebuild the muscle that takes you out into market to go and not wait for customers, but go and fetch customers and bring them in through the door in order to ensure that you are indeed in full control of your growth. There are three techniques: a hunting technique, a fishing technique, and a farming technique. And the workshop we have been running today centers on how those three techniques manifest practically through systems in a business to redevelop and reposition the front end of the business into the market in a manner that lets you craft clear, distinct business-to-business propositions that open the doors, and then human-to-human propositions based on the finance manager, the procurement manager, the operations manager, the business owner, the parties that typically get involved in making decisions around onboarding services and products through companies like yours, like mine, as suppliers into businesses in order to get the deals done. It's been a fascinating exercise, and it's certainly one I would encourage every business owner out there to consider. That muscle needs to be rebuilt, because over the years, through digital media, which has been a very lazy method of getting customers to come to you, its performance has depreciated, and over the years, that muscle is atrophied. Rebuild it in order to reignite and regrow your company in an environment that is fraught with all sorts of challenges and difficulties. Until next week at work, have an entrepreneurial day.